The growing consciousness of our global society makes us seek for better and healthier solutions, solutions that are friendly to our planet Earth. 25 years ago, the founder of Prestivet understood the importance of nutrition for the health and performance of livestock. Today, his son continues his father's mission and manages the project that contributes to the health of farm animals, and thus the best quality food products of animal origin, supporting human health and well-being. We are becoming more and more aware of how the way we are growing animals impacts our own health. The demand for the highest quality food requires the best animal nutrition. At Prestivet, we are taking pride in our mission to provide quality food to people from around the globe.